pancakes, 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 pancakes.
Hey guys, so today I wanted to show you how to make some delicious vegan banana pancakes. They're super easy, super quick, not a lot of ingredients, and sometimes you just wake up and you want to have some pancakes. Alright, so let's get right into it.
Next level.
So our first step for the banana pancakes is to mash our 2 bananas in a bowl, and I'm using this whisk. And this part is personally my favorite part because it's kind of fun and you can get a little therapeutic with it.
Pancakes, 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 pancakes.
You're gonna go ham and mash up some bananas to get your anger out, get your stress out.
Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and tell me how my acting was. Thank you very much. Have a good day.